Morning routine. Good morning from Hudson, and it's time for his daily walk. Let's smell the grass, then walk on the pavement, and be a Hudson and see what's going on around the neighborhood. After my morning walk and after eating my breakfast, it's time for a nap. And I like taking very long naps. Come and look at my cute looking sleepy face. This couch is really comfy. I like taking my naps. After taking a nap, it's time for bath time. This is Hudson's.